Well, we seem to be on a roll here lately of 996 calipers. What we have here is the repair kit. The pad retainer, the pin for the pad retainers, and the two R clips or H clips, whatever you want to call them. They look like an R. Now, this is a good kit, does well, everything you need. The biggest problem with this is you can't buy the R clip separately. So if you break one of these, that thing's so small, you drop it on the floor of your garage and it goes underneath something and you'll never find it. Or you find it later on when you don't need it. My solution for me when I lost one a few years ago, and I'm going to tell you what it is. So this is the R clip or the hitch clip that comes in the Porsche repair kit. It's nice. The problem is you can't buy that pin alone from Porsche, and I couldn't find anywhere else. So what I did was I looked at McMaster Car, and they have this. Now, is it exactly the same? Not quite. It's a hair longer. The diameter of the wire itself is a hair smaller, and it's a touch longer. But one of the ways you can modify this, it doesn't look like it closes as well. You can take a pair of needle nose pliers and you can crimp it down a little bit. Now, I've been running one of these for about 5 years and haven't had a problem. Now, this is spring steel, so it's not lightweight stuff. I think it's not quite as good as a Porsche one because, like I said, the wire size is a little smaller, but it works. So this is the information you need. Expand out a little bit. Okay, this is from McMaster Car. Now, as you can see, I wrote the Porsche dimensions in blue. It's a hair bit shorter. The wire size, the diameter of the hole at the end is a little bit smaller, and the wire size is actually a little smaller. This is where you can get it. The part number is down in the bottom right-hand corner. Unfortunately, you have to buy 25 of them. So needless to say, I have a few around. So if anybody needs a couple of these, I can send them out to you for a couple of bucks. Otherwise, you're buying 25. This is my thoughts. This is what I did. You don't have to.